found a place to have some dinner. Yeah. We're in Francine's albergue this morning. And we have a coffee machine, which is better than nothing.
You want a bread?
No, I'm good.
Maybe I will have the banana.
So I think the shoe fix is going to hold. The only problem is it's too long. About an inch and a half longer than the other one. This strap needed to go in that slot a lot further, but it will hold. The shoe glue is hardened into a hard rubber. It's very cold. It's the coldest morning. It's only 52 degrees, but again, it's the coldest morning that we've had. I've got 2 jackets on. We have about 20 kilometers to do, and it's very windy and very cold, but I'm bundled up pretty good. The shoe feels weird. I don't think there's a shoe store in the next town, but I think I will be okay for a couple of days. Leaving the town of Calzadilla de los Calzada or something very, very strange. And Francine's wearing her buff. I'll tell you the story about the bag transport company. About 4 days ago when we were in Burgos, I didn't get my bag for the first time in 18 consecutive days or whatever it was at the time. Didn't get my bag, and they said, they not sure what's going on, but rumor has it that one of their employees was killed. So I eventually got my bag and have for the last 4 days. But when I got to my albergue yesterday, he said, I don't know where your bag is. We need to call the company. So he called the company and he says, I have some very bad news for you. He said the company wants all the albergues to pull the money envelopes so that they don't transport more bags going forward. Basically, I understood him to say it was going out of business. So with the bag transport company, the rumor on the trail has it that one of their employees died in a motorcycle accident, which is why my bag was late getting to me in Burgos 4 days ago. The guy here at this albergue told me, I have bad news for you. They're not going to do any more bag transport in Burgos, which is kind of the county that we're walking in. But eventually my bag came. It was the only one that did come from Jacko Trends because I had paid for it in advance and I have a special tag on it. We'll see how bag delivery goes today. He said he talked to Jacko Trends and that my bag should be good going forward, but in the meantime, I don't know. We going this way, buddy? We're going that way? We are just hitting the trail. We're headed for Sahagun, and the shoe is holding up. My fix is holding up. Just feels a little off, but it's holding up. Every layer of winter gear I could carry on me, and also Francine's put her buff on because
it's cold.
It's too freaking cold. So I've got a hoodie, a snoot, Jack's neck warmer, this scarf. I mean, and it's just not exactly getting warmer because we haven't seen the sun come out, and some people just, walking in shorts, no problem. There's no one walking in shorts. But damn!
It's so cold.
We're entering the town of Litigos. We've gone 6 kilometers, and I just saw a Jacko Trends van go by, which is great news. I think they have limited service at the moment in this county. I'll let you know how that goes. I emailed the company directly with condolences and asked if I need to do anything different with my, bag accommodation. It's getting colder. It's 52 degrees. 52.
Yeah.
Which means nothing to Francine.
No. Before, yes, but not now.
What is that? Like 11 degrees Celsius?
Yeah.
That's how you make a wall out of clay and hay and sticks. Cool bar tap stuff made out of wood. Aren't these cool?
Yeah.
So we've got some sunflower seeds for later. I got a croissant cornetto. And Francine has got some toast.
And she's happy.
She's happy.
No grumpy.
Oh, she's not grumpy. Okay.
I never grumpy.
Yeah. Okay, so the story with the shoes is they feel completely normal, except it's like having the right size in the toe and a size too big in the ankle. But it's gonna last me, so. But the Sugru is holding marvelous. Also, did I tell you we saw the Jacko Trans van go by? This is good. I just took some ibuprofen because my left shoulder blade is hurting again. So, there we go. That should be nice for the trail. Yeah. I found this cool heart-shaped kind of rock. Really, yeah, very selective about what kind of rocks I pick up. Just used to have my water bottle in it, but I think that's what messed up my shoulder blade. Now I just keep a dry cloth in there. These ponchos get wet on the inside, like it's actually wet on the inside. So I'm gonna turn it inside out to dry it out. Okay. Leaving the town of Ledigos. Most of the pilgrims took an alternate path over there, but my directions say the main path is over here. It's progressively colder. Huh.
It is. Okay, we are, okay, Calzadilla. We did 6.4 to Lady Ghost. After that, we did 2.96 Terra Dios de los Templar.
Yeah, that's where we are.
We are at this place. After that, we need 3 to Moratinos.
3 more to Moratinos. Okay. These two folks, I think, are from Germany. I think that's a German flag. Black, yellow, I don't know. But we're seeing some sheep here. Aren't they cute? And the shepherd. Yeah. And the sky, isn't the sky nasty, y'all? Look at that. Just haven't seen the sun yet today. Crappy weather day. Just over these sunflowers, I see maybe a town that have some nice eggs. I'm missing something today, like energy-wise. It's holding up very well. Very well. It's just one size too big in the back end of my foot. Yeah.
plugg om en dag.
Take off my sheet and take this, which is I don't know which one, not a blanket, but this stuff. Yeah, oh yeah. Please take my pillow and my
I'm just gonna have this one then.
Nice, right?
This is totally different, isn't it?
Yeah.
I put my glasses. Okay. It's so heavy. I'm tired because it's too heavy. And I have a nice.
Francine had about a meter long bungee cord, the kind with the metal hooks on the end, just a normal bungee cord. She goes, I don't need this anymore. I think I'm going to leave this in the albergue. So I'm like, hold on, let me see it. So I grabbed the bungee cord, I cut the metal tips off, and I'm using it as a belt. Yep. Pants are getting a little big. This is what they call the meseta, right, Denise? It's just a long stretch of, wow, just long stretches. And we have not seen the sun today, have we?
Nope.
What the hell?
No sun. They bring this to a place every day. We arrive at the
Time 5 hours 5 minutes 29 seconds. Total distance 17.0 kilometers. Average pace 17 minutes 58 seconds per kilometer.
Fatima. Yeah.
Seconds. Total distance 20.0 kilometers. Average.
Almost there. 1 more kilometer and we're in Sahagun, where I have a different albergue than Francine. We have to cross the street.
Et si bon qui était bon.
Bonjour! Hi!
Non, c'est ça, non, moi, mais gars,
So, the sky decided to clear up and we're practically there. So, whatever. I'll take it. I'll take the sunshine. Okay, once you reach these 2 pillars here, you're at the official halfway point right there. Walk through that. These are really, really cool. Okay. I'm officially kind of on my way home now, which is good because I really miss Chris. Oh, he's so cute. That's it. Oh God, he's funny. This is Sahagun. It's my destination. There, my friends. Here's my bag. The thing about these albergues is The second floor in Europe is usually the third floor in America. Okay, so let's go up. It's been a long day walking. You gotta take your heavy backpack and, am I pitching? No, I'll reenact this a little bit, but this is how nice it is to have a private room, okay? I think I allowed myself 4 or 5 of these. Oh, let's see. Look at this. Is this beautiful? This is the best part right here. My own bathroom, a towel. Oh, I'm pretty stoked. We're in Sahagun in that little triangle-shaped pastry shop. I think we're going to be getting pizza. And I see the one I want.
Me too.
Hawaiian.
What do you think?
Oh, isn't that gorgeous?